Hello guys, in the last video we discussed about iterative statements and while loop. Now in this video we are going to discuss about for loop. This for loop executes a code multiple times and abbreviates the code that manages the loop variable. We can execute this for loop in two types, by using sequence data type and by using range function. We'll see one by one. First we will discuss by using sequence data type. In this we can use sequence type of data like strings, list and tuple. The syntax of for loop by using sequence data type is for keyword space variable name space membership operator in space sequence and colon. Next, the block of code to perform an action. We'll see one example. Example for loop. Here I will take sequence data type. We can take string, list and tuple, anyone, but here I am taking string. A is equal to, in double quotes, Python. For space I will take variable name as SLA space membership operator in space. Here I will take sequence data type variable A and colon. Now print, in double quotes, character colon space comma SLA. Next, save the file and run the code. Here the output is character colon P, character colon Y, character colon T, character colon H, character colon O, character colon N. We'll see why we got this output. For is an iterative statement. It will execute code repeatedly. In this case, SLA is variable name. Each character is assigned to variable for every iteration. First character P is assigned to variable SLA. In the first iteration, it prints character P. Next, character Y is assigned to variable SLA and prints Y in second iteration. Like this, it prints all the characters in the order. So, we got the output as P, Y, T, H, O, N. Next, we will see the for loop execution by using range function. First we will see about range function. This range function is having start, stop and step values. Start means starting value. The default value of start is 0. Next, stop. Stop means end value. This is the mandatory value. We should give this value. Next, step. Difference between value to value. The default value is 1 for step. Syntax of range is range start, comma, stop, comma, step. In this, start value is includes and stop value is excludes. The start is used as loop variable because it is the starting value, and the stop is used as condition because it is the last value, it stops at this value. Next, step is used as updation because here the value updates from starting value to stop value. So this step is used as updation. So this step is used as updation of variable. We'll see the syntax for loop with range. For space variable name space membership operator in space range function start value, stop value and step value. are separated by commas and colon. Next line is block of code to repeat. We'll see one example. For keyword space, here I will take variable name as number, space membership operator in, space range function, starting value is 1, comma stop value is 5, comma step value is 1, colon, enter. Here I will print number. Save the file, run the code. Then we'll get the output as 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't get 5 because stop value is excluded. If we want to print 5 also, go to code and change stop value to 6. Save the file and run the code. Then the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see another example. For keyword space, here I will take variable name as number, space membership operator in, space range, I will give value 6, colon, enter. Here I will print number. Save the file and run the code. Then the output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see the code. Here in range only 6 value is there. Here starting value is 0 because it takes defaultly. The 6 is the stop value and step value is 1 because the default value of step is 1. Means start value is 0, stop value is 6 and step value is 1. So we got the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is about for loop. If you like the video, please click on like button and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.